Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons, and in this video we're taking a look at how we can share a folder in Google Drive. So we're going to go to the Apps Launcher in the top right hand corner and go to Drive. Then we're going to navigate to the folder that we'd like to share. I'm going to share this one, so I'm going to go to this folder, right click and go to Share. Now before I go to copy link, I'm going to check who this folder is shared with already. So to do this, I'm going to click on Share. Here you can see the options we have to share. The first option is to add individual people to the folder. Here I would need to add the email address or name of the person that I'd like to share this folder with. For example, I've just added a person to this field, and I have to make a decision whether this person can only view the folder, can comment on the folder, or can edit the folder. Once I've made that decision, I just go to Send. The second option is to go to this section here and select anyone with the link. And I have to make the same decision whether I'd like them to view, comment, or edit. Once I've made that decision, I'm going to go here to Copy Link. I can now copy this link and share this with the people or person I'd like to share this folder with. The person that receives the folder will be able to find it on the left hand side where it says shared with me. Thank you for watching this video on how to share a folder on Google Drive. I'll see you in the next video.